Right, welcome back to WLN Card Magic. I've got a nice little trick for you today. So for the trick, I'm going to use a pack of cards, a pair of dice, a prediction card with a marker pen, and just a pen and a piece of paper. So the first we're going to do is we'll give the cards a shuffle. We'll give them a cut, sorry. And then we'll give them a shuffle. Okay, and now we're good to go. So I'm just going to spread the pack out and have a quick look, and I'm going to pick a prediction card. Okay. I'm going to pick a prediction card and I'm just going to write it down on the back of here. Bear with me for a second. Just write down my prediction card. Okay, that's it done, and I'll leave it there in full view for the duration of the trick. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I am going to take a dice, just give them a roll, and we'll add up the totals. So we've got 6 and 2, so the first number we have got is 8. Now I'm going to take any one of the two dice. I'm going to take this one here, just turn it opposite end, and add up. So it's a 5. I'm going to add up that 5 to our total. So we had an 8, we now got a 5, which makes 13. I'm just going to take this die again and just give it a roll, and it's a 4. So add it to 13. Our total now is 17. Okay, so we've cut it back, we've shuffled in. I'm just going to count down 17 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, which matches the total that we made by rolling the dice. The next thing we're going to do is I'm going to add up the tally of the two dice, which is a 6 here and a 4 there, which is 10. And I'm going to count down 10 cards. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the 10th card we've arrived at is the Queen of Hearts. So at the start of the trick, I made a prediction, and the card I wrote on my card was the Queen of Hearts, matching the prediction. So I hope you liked that trick. If you did, stay tuned and I'll show you how to do it with a tutorial. Thank you. Welcome back to the tutorial for that little wee trick. So we've got our pack of cards, we've got our two dice, prediction card, marker pen, pen and paper. So the secret to the trick, guys, is when you slide open the cards, you have to make a mental note of the card which lies in the 8th position from the top. So in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now to make it easier, put the card you require before I start the trick in the 8th position at the top of the pack. So you don't have to spend any time looking for it, you already know. So you then just cut the pack and take care when you're dealing to make sure that the Queen of Hearts stays, or whatever card you've chosen, stays in the 8th position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's still on top in the 8th position. So you choose whichever card you want, place it before the trick starts, or spread a pack and have a genuine shuffle and look at the 8th card. I prefer to do it this way so I don't have to spend any time mentally counting to the 8th card. So then we take the two dice, we give them a roll, and we'll add it with tally. So we've got a 5, we have got a 3, so that gives us 8. And then you can choose any of the two dice and just turn it opposite end up. So we'll turn this one. Opposite end up gives us a 4, which we'll add to our tally, which now gives us 12. Now, you must use the dice that you turn upside down and give it a roll. It gives a 5. We now add that to a tally, which now gives us 17. Okay, so we now deal out 17 cards, which again is the total we've arrived at by using your dice. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 cards. Again, 17, which matches the tallies we did by rolling the dice. We now add up the 2 dice here, which is a 10. So we just count out 10 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pop these on top, we don't need them. And then at this point you can go back over what you have done. You've rolled the dice, whatever you want to do, and then turn over the card to reveal the card that was in the 8th position in your pack. You then turn over a card, and again, however you want to say, do it. I like to say I made a prediction card at the start of the trick, and after all we've done here, we've rolled the dice, we've counted out cards. The card I predicted was the Queen of Hearts, and there that ends your trick. So again, how you present it, it's play about with it, you do what you feel free. But if you stick to this routine, it works every single time. Your chosen card, 8 from the top, and then when you use the dice, as long as you remember the routine, we roll the first 2, and then we choose one, turn it over on end, add up the tally, and the one that you turned over, you roll that, you add up the tally, and then you start dealing the cards. And if you stick to that, it works every time. Have a bit of fun with it. Let me know what you think of the trick. Leave a message in the comments. I'll be delighted to hear what you think. Okay, have a magic day. Take care.